Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to start. First, confirm your phone's camera works and permissions are enabled, because without access, nothing will scan. If your phone has a built-in QR feature, open the camera app and point it at the code. Make sure autofocus locks and any on-screen scan overlay appears. If the camera doesn't detect the code, switch to a dedicated scanner app. Once done, hold the device steady, avoid glare, and wait a beat for the scanner to recognize the pattern. If the built-in camera failed or you want extra features, download a reputable QR scanner from your official app store because safety matters. Install and grant camera permission. Also enable flashlight and gallery access if you plan to scan codes from images. Open the app, center the code in the frame, and move the phone slowly until it focuses. Use zoom or torch for low light. Once recognized, the app will display the link or data. Read any prompt before tapping to open the result. Complete the process by reviewing the scan result and choosing what to do. Open a link, copy text, or save a contact, because automatic actions can be risky. Make sure your scanner's history or export is enabled if you want to keep records. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Gently clean the lens, increase ambient light, or use the torch, and adjust angle and distance. If that fails, import a screenshot into the app or reinstall a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.